Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to another PC tutorial video here. And now today I'm going to show you how you can fix the Windows 10 resolution and for your display. So without any delay, let's fix the problem. First of all, right click on your display and here you can see display setting. Click that option and this window will pop up to your display. Now as you can see on the right, change the size of text, apps and other items. You can change the size of your text here on the display as you wish, and also the resolution here you can also change this according to your preference. And now scroll down and you can see advanced display settings. Click that option here. Here click display adapter properties, click here, and now in here adapter you can see the properties. Just right click, just click that properties option and go to driver. Here click the driver option and now just click update driver, and now click search automatically for updated drivers. And as you can see, my driver is already updated. If your driver is not updated, it will find the best updated version and update your driver. Now close these windows, also close these windows, and also click OK and close these windows. And again, now go to your search button and here search device manager. Click that device manager here, and now search for display adapter. Click this arrow button here and now select it and right click it here and go to properties here, and again go to drivers and select update drivers, and again search for the updated driver version, and it will do the same and update your driver if it's not updated yet. Now close it and also close this one and also close this windows. And after doing these two steps, your problem will be solved. And if this video helps you, consider subscribing to my channel, and I will catch you guys on the next one.